Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of GardenArc. So in this video, I'm completely honest with you guys. So this flower has some hidden health benefits that we all really should know about it. Vibrant deep blue flowers sometimes shows a group of colors shades in blue. Also, purple, light blue or white colors are also included in this blue pea flower. It has beautiful double layer to protect the inner layer of a flower. To grow this plant, you will need to have a very big free space or the plant will be on anything, as they are free plants, so they can climb on anything from the ground. Most of the time this plant is flowering and seeding. That's the good thing, you can grow this plant at your home. I know most of you have this plant, but you never tried of this flowers tea. I'm not sure, but I believe you haven't tried it. It will be very interesting for me to try, as I'm trying this for the first time. So I'll take you through the whole process and the progress, that how I am making this tea. So this is my natural method where I have not used any single medicine or chemicals. From here, I'll pick the younger flowers from the plants which does not have any infection from the bugs, and carefully I'll harvest them. I'll harvest as much as I can because you will have to wait for a while to get them dry under the natural sunlights. So it's better to dry maximum quantity to get the better result of your tea. I'll choose a very clever spot where bugs are not attacking during I'm drying these flowers. It can cause harm. So it's taking normally 4 to 5 hours, or sometimes it takes like two to 3 days. But it's all depend on the sunlight. That's how strong are the lights are. So for me, I'm able to get them dried within a day because it's 35 degrees outside temperature sometimes. So it's really tough. But yes, we can do that. And once they all dried, I can reshuffle them. I have to, because all the sides properly needs to get dry. And likewise, we are completing the drying of butterfly flowers. For me, the making process is super easy. I do not added anything extra else, but only the warm water and 3-4 dried flowers inside the cup. You just need to mix it well until the colors are really blending to the water from the flowers. The dried flowers basically stores rich antioxidant contents. The caffeine-free earthy blue is linked to supporting the brain health, boosting our skin elasticity and hair growth, and aiding in blood sugar management as well. Often, this one consuming often as a this work as a calming the brain. It is believed to help reduce the anxiety and it promote better sleeps. The color will blend to the cup within just a minute. It will also depend how much dried flowers you have added. So if you added more flowers to the cup, so the colors will be blended faster and the watercolor will be deep purple more faster, right? And if you put less flower, like 4 to 5 pieces dried pieces, then you need to wait a bit to get the better result. After blending, just remove the flowers from the teacup, or you can also leave them as is there to dissolve with more water. and it is depend on you, because I prefer to remove the rest and only keep the water and drink it. I can see very good result of this tea, and this really tastes like mild salty and watery something. It's gummy something, and something to me not too fancy, but just a blue tea. So it smell a bit nice to me, and I think this is only helps if you have it regular basis.